Luxury and expense in home design aren't always about the price tag or the size of your house. Today, we're exploring design principles that can make any home look more luxurious and expensive, regardless of your budget. These insights come from years of architectural experience and a deep passion for interior design. Let's start with curves. Curved and organic shapes in furniture and decor pieces can instantly elevate a room's luxurious feel. Studies show that curved objects activate parts of our brains associated with safety and comfort, making them more aesthetically pleasing. Curves are also generally harder to produce, and as humans, we tend to equate effort with value. So, when choosing furniture or decor, consider incorporating curved elements. A round dining table, an oval-shaped rug, or even cushions with circular designs can add that touch of luxury. Next, let's talk about materials that patina. For a home that feels luxurious, expensive, and timeless, focus on materials that age beautifully and have stood the test of time. Natural stone, metals that develop a patina, various types of wood, leather, and plaster or lime wash walls are excellent choices. These materials not only look good now but will continue to improve with age, developing character and depth. In contrast, cheaper materials like laminate or plastic tend to deteriorate over time. High-quality materials also have a different tactile experience. They often feel heavier, and weight is often associated with expense and quality. Integrated storage is another key element in creating a luxurious look. Built-in storage solutions reduce visual clutter, making a space appear larger and more sophisticated. They also suggest bespoke craftsmanship, which we associate with scarcity and high effort, qualities we naturally value. When incorporating built-ins, aim for floor-to-ceiling designs to maximize impact. Don't forget to invest in high-quality hardware and finishes to complete the luxurious look. Consider choosing furniture that doubles as sculpture. While not every piece needs to be a work of art, having a few statement pieces can elevate your entire space. A curvy chair, a geometric coffee table, or a lamp with organic flowing shapes can draw attention and create interest. These unique designs break away from the ordinary, making your space feel more curated and expensive. When it comes to art, contrast and sizing can make a big difference. Instead of having all your artwork the same size, mix it up. Combine large statement pieces with smaller, more intimate works. This variety creates a dynamic, curated feel that suggests the collection was built over time rather than bought all at once. It's a subtle way to add depth and interest to your space. Framing your art is crucial, but resist the urge to use matching frames for everything. Mismatched frames can make your display feel like a thoughtfully curated collection rather than a hasty purchase. This approach is often used by professional designers to create a more sophisticated, expensive look. When it comes to furniture, mixing and matching is key. Avoid the temptation to buy matching sets. Instead, pair modern pieces with vintage finds. This creates a more interesting, curated look that doesn't appear to have come straight from a catalog. The key is to find a balance between new and old that suits your personal style. In terms of decor, aim for pieces larger than your head. Smaller items can create visual clutter, while larger pieces look more deliberate and chosen with purpose. If you have smaller items you love, try grouping them together on a tray to create the appearance of a larger, more substantial piece. Remember, less is often more when it comes to luxury. Leave your open shelves half empty. Negative space is a hallmark of luxury design, allowing each piece to breathe and be appreciated. When you think you've removed enough, consider taking away a bit more. Hide functional but unattractive items. Luxury spaces keep things clean and aspirational. Transfer everyday items like soaps and cleaning products into attractive dispensers, and stash away wires and other practical but unsightly objects. Finally, when it comes to wall treatments, consider going all in rather than creating accent walls. While accent walls can be fun, they often feel more DIY than luxurious. For a more expensive look, commit to treating all walls in a room consistently, whether that's with paint, moldings, or other finishes. By incorporating these principles, you can create a home that looks and feels more luxurious and expensive, regardless of your budget. Remember, True luxury is about thoughtful design and attention to detail, not just the price tag.